Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you one of the best spoken English books for the advanced level students that I have read. I purchased this book around some years ago and have read it many times. This book's name is A Hands-on Guide to English Conversation Practice by MC Sreevalsan. Now, this author MC Sreevalsan is a renowned author for English language and he has an international recognition. He has worked as an expert in the country like Ethiopia, Republic of Zambia. In India, he has held many seminars in Kerala on communication skills. So, why is so important this book? Now, I'll tell you. First, this book contains several conversational topics based on day-to-day life situation and different expression of English language. Now it has more than 250 topics, okay, like about hobbies, transport, on family visiting, party and so on. And also in that particular situation, what kind of unique sentence or expression the native people use, it explains in a very simplistic manner at the end of that conversational topic. Okay, next is it explains a particular type of tense or sentence structure, giving a whole bunch of conversation on a particular topic. Like for example, this book contains a topic that is based on hypothetical situation or hypothetical sentence structure. When you say that what would happen if the earth stopped, or what would I have done if you hadn't told me, so this kind of sentence, so it conveys the whole topic using this hypothetical sentence structure. Okay, so it will be more clear to you after you are done with the topic, and when you will read the explanation, it will give you a much clarity pertaining to those topics. Okay, now the third is it clears confusion between two types of grammatical aspects in its most simple terms. For instance, the difference between present perfect and past simple tense. So it's very confusing for beginner level students. Okay, like for example, he has just gone out and he just went out. So what's the difference between these two sentences? Okay, he has just gone out, it focuses on the action you have done, so it doesn't entail the time frame, or it doesn't focus on the time when you have done, you just done, it suggests. Okay, and he just went out, it actually suggests that the time when you go, he just went out a moment ago or a while ago. This phrase is actually implied, so it's not told, so it conveys that he just went out a moment ago. So when you say particular frame of time, then we use past simple tense. Okay, for example, particular time at 2 p.m, at 3 p.m. Okay, so then we use past simple, not present perfect. Okay, so for this completed action, so it focuses on the time, not the action. And the second example is the difference between was to versus was to have. And I'm giving you two kinds of sentences. First is that the meeting was to start at 5 p.m. and the meeting was to have started at 5 p.m. So what's the difference between these two sentences? So I'm not telling you, you write it guys if you know. And the fourth is it gives some unique and subtle clarity pertaining to grammatical mistakes, such as the advanced subtle grammatical mistakes that we make. Look at these two sentences. Can you help me to carry this box, or can you help me carry this box? So what's the difference between these two sentences? So which sentence is more correct? The correct sentence is the second sentence, the can you help me carry this box. So after help, we do not use preferably the to infinitive, because help is the bare infinitive. Okay, and the second example is use of double question, like can you tell me where is the bathroom, or can you tell me what the bathroom is. So what is the correct sentence? The correct sentence is can you tell me what the bathroom is. Okay, so we use one question in a sentence, not double question. Okay, similarly double negative when we use. Another example like enjoy yourself or enjoy the party, so we never use enjoy in isolation. Either we use reflexive pronouns such as enjoy yourself, enjoy ourselves, or an object after it. Okay, so I'm just giving you an overview of this book. So there are lots of interesting things if you go through this book, and you'll love it guys, I'm telling you. So if you want to purchase this book, you can buy it online. It costs around $200. So I'll give you link in the description box below. And you might get offline, but offline you might not get available in the stock, because the shopkeeper keeps those books which are very common. So people actually don't know about these books. So I suggest you guys, if you do not get in offline, purchase it online, Amazon or Flipkart, and I'll give you a link, you can buy it from there. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below. And I'm suggesting you guys that this book I have read it several times, and each time I read, I kind of learn more new things, because at one reading you won't be able to remember all those expressions, all those rules, or all those whatever you have learned. So you need to revise it more and more, and you will have a lot more new things to learn. Okay, so I hope you find it helpful, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching this video.